9 Best Super Glue Rearview Mirror in the Market. The rearview mirror is an extremely vital component of your vehicle since it helps you see objects that are behind. The mirror in older vehicles is mounted on a pedestal that hung from a mounting point, just above the windshield, and is secured in position by 2 or 3 screws. However, in newer vehicles, this mirror is usually hung on a bracket glued to the inside of the windshield. Vehicular collisions can lead to damage to the outside and inside of the mirror. The inside mirrors, it is usually attached to the windshield glass using a quick bond adhesive. Kindly click on the subscribe button, like, and share for more videos. What kind of glue do you use for a rearview mirror? There are lots of bonding agents available in the market, but some are superior to others. This mirror adhesive outperforms most types of superglue bonding ingredients. The most effective type to use is the mirror glue products, such as the 3M High Bond Rearview Mirror Adhesive. A well-equipped glue kit can be obtained from Amazon or from your local car parts shop. You must ensure the kit is up to date and from a dependable brand. Refitting a rearview mirror with rearview mirror adhesive. 1. Separating the mirror. 2 parts of your mirror are connected through a ball joint. One part stocks the mirror glass, and the other part is attached to the windscreen, which is the mirror base. You have to first start by separating the 2 parts. Failure to do this will make the mirror too heavy, and will cause it to fall off long before the adhesive has had the chance to work. Repair the mirror base. The next thing to do is sand the mirror base and the windscreen button by placing the metal disc on the windscreen, while ensuring they are absolutely smooth. You can do this properly by following the manufacturer's instructions. Note that rough surfaces will inhibit the glue from making a resilient bond. Ensure you remove any dust and dirt from both sides to keep the surfaces smooth. Next, following the manufacturer's instructions, apply the best mirror adhesive to one or both surfaces. Press the 2 parts together and hold them in place for as long as necessary. Hold the mirror base to the windscreen button, that is, the metal disc on the windscreen, for as long as the instructions permit. You have to allow the rearview mirror glue to settle overnight before fixing back the mirror. Refitting the mirror. After the glue must have been set from the steps above, you can proceed to refit the mirror to the base, which is now attached to the windscreen. Exercise caution so as to prevent breaking the mirror base from the windscreen. Try holding the base in one hand whilst pressing the mirror with the other. Here are the best rearview mirror glue reviews for 2019. 1. Loctite Rearview Mirror Adhesive. This is a Forte adhesive produced to permanently bond metal to glass. It emerges top as the best rated rearview mirror glue in our list. Product description. In color, the Loctite 37438 is gleaming amber, while the activator is translucent green. It has an irksome, sharp odor that one may find disturbing. There's no form of special skill required for the application procedure. It only requires at least 1 minute to set the kit, 15 minutes for mounting, and about 24 hours for maximum curing strength. 2. 3M Rearview Mirror Adhesive. This is a structural acrylic kit that is invented to proficiently reattach the rearview mirror. It comprises methacrylate and isopropyl alcohol activator. In color, the 3M 08749 adhesive is clear, and the activator is green. The odor of 3M rearview mirror adhesive wasn't stated by the manufacturer, and it works perfectly humid environment and high temperature. 3. Versachem Rearview Mirror Adhesive. The Versachem 11109 Rearview Mirror Adhesive is another product that is very authentic and reliable. 4. Rugged Ridge Rearview Mirror Glue. The application process is quite simple, all you need do is to properly adhere to the manufacturer's instructions. 5. WorkTech Adhesives and Sealants Professional Rearview Mirror Repair Kit. This is yet another tough repair kit for a falling rearview mirror. The WorkTech Rearview Mirror Adhesive has the same chemical compounds as those used by auto manufacturers. This product offers excellent bonding for metal and glass. 6. ProSeal Rearview Mirror Adhesive. The adhesive has a yellow coloration, the activator is blue-green, and it comes with a mild odor. 8. Dynatex Rearview Mirror Adhesive. This is tough adhesive system comes with medium viscosity and provides excellent tensile strength, for exceptional bonding performance. The Dynatex Rearview Mirror Adhesive will not peel under pressure, and it is made for quick and effective curing. In color, the adhesive is amber, and the activator is green. 9. Gorilla Glue Rearview Mirror. Gorilla 2-part epoxy, 5-minute set. Gorilla Glue Rearview Mirror Adhesive is a top-quality rearview mirror glue kit that attaches glass and metal in no time. The ProSeal 61067 is also capable of attaching metal to metal and glass to glass, apart from bonding glass to metal. Factors to consider before buying a rearview mirror adhesive. The market is filled with lots of these mirror adhesives, and not all may be effective as the adverts claim. I have also taken the time to prepare a list of factors to consider before buying glue for your mirror. Temperature. When selecting glue for your mirror, go for the one that has excellent low temperature curing. Quality. You should buy a rearview mirror glue kit that will give the best results when working on your vehicle's mirror. Resistivity. The finest rearview mirror adhesive must be resistant to heat, since the windscreen of your vehicle may be exposed to direct sunlight for long hours when driving or parking. Dryness. Go for ideal products that take a maximum of 24 hours to produce superb bonding results. Do not settle for a model that will take a longer or shorter time to dry. Note: apply caution using these products. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you find this video helpful.